so we had to give our names, like all the photographers had to give their names to the security guard. So Mario wrote his name and the security guard took the paper back and he's like, tell this guy's name. So Mario goes and says, Evander. So like, हाँ मालूम है event का है. And then I'm like, wait, what is he saying? And then we were like, his name is Evander. It's like, मालूम है सर इवेंट का है बट उसका नाम क्या है? लाइक ब्रो व्हाट इवन. आई वाज लाइक अरे भाई उसका नाम इवेंट है. हाँ उसका नाम इवेंट है. ब्रो. Yo, what's up guys? Good morning. And today we are going for a destination wedding in Makia. We also have a stay over there, so I'm going to do a room tour. Evander's come right now to pick us up. And yeah, we're just loading on the bags, waiting for Mario as well. And we will be leaving in another 5 minutes. We've got all the bags done over here. Evander has carried his screen because we have some on-the-spot editing as well for this wedding. We have reached the location, guys. We have reached the location at Makia. Right now, actually, I'm more excited to go and check out the room. This is our clothes bag, my laptop bag. I'm wearing the drone. We're walking towards the room. So, bro, are you excited?
I'm excited. Like, I want to rush into the washroom first because I want to pee so badly.
Okay, so something really funny happened. We had to give our names, like all the photographers had to give their names to the security guard. Though even we are guests, but they were told to take the name. So Mario wrote his name and the security guard took the paper back and he's like, tell this guy's name. So Mario goes and says, Evander. So like, हाँ मालूम है event का है. And then I'm like, wait, what is he saying? And then we were like, his name is Evander. It's like, मालूम है सर इवेंट का है बट उसका नाम क्या है? लाइक ब्रो व्हाट इवन. आई वाज लाइक अरे भाई उसका नाम इवेंट है. हाँ उसका नाम इवेंट है. एंड सो मारियो टुक द पेपर फॉर मी. इज लाइक नहीं सर मैं लिख रहा हूँ. द सिक्योरिटी गार्ड वाज लाइक दैट. एंड देन मारियो रोट द नेम. इट्स लाइक ओह शिट सॉरी. And we all started laughing. And then so whilst we were coming over here, the security guard was like, sir sorry for event. And then he goes like, you know, आपका smile बहुत अच्छा है. Oh my god.
Try to butter up.
So right now they are taking us to our room on a buggy.
The things we have to behind the scenes, you come to know each and everything. Paul.
Yo, this is the view. So guys, this is our room. This is the sick bathroom, crazy. And a bed. We will have to join this because we are 3 of us in total. And oh yeah, it's the TV over there. A nice place. There's a fridge over here and somewhere we can sit and work. Oh, and this is the balcony view where you can see the pool. That's sick, bro. 10 on 10. So guys, the room was a 10 on 10 and now we're going to shoot a haldi. So haldi and Sangeet is today. So we're just going to shoot. What's the time? It's 10 already. So we're doing the welcome guest entries and stuff. And then I'll just go meet the couple and I'll just check on them if they're ready or not. I'm going to fly my drone now only and take the property shot because the weather in Goa is not that great right now. This is the setup over here. I think the haldi is going to take place over here. It's a beautiful setup. It is indoor. So sadly, I somewhat jinxed it. I was going to fly my drone and that time only it started raining. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll show you another interesting part. Over here, last time I have a drone shot over here where like I took a top down where the water, you could see the water flowing this way, and that same Auden was over there. I don't know what you call it in English, but in Konkan it's called a Auden. Time I go to fly this, it has to rain. So I just came and I sat under this thing so that I know, like, you know, okay, the rain has stopped and now it's a good time to fly it. Right now it's drizzling, so I don't want to take the risk of flying my drone. So guys, right now the haldi is going on, and as of now I'm not required to go to the room because my power bank is there and my phone battery is like 15%. I'm going to show you guys the resort also, how it is and all. Mercure is good. If you want a chill spot where you want to come and relax, then Mercure is your go-to. Oh, I think this is something new what they did over here. Okay, so they have done this new restaurant called Pani Puri. Something new. Before it was different. It used to look different. And our room is somewhere there where we can see a nice field view. We've got our food and the boys are, since we don't have any table, we're sitting over here. Porchi. Right now we are downloading Premiere Pro on my system because Charles' mouse cannot get connected to this and Vaughan's laptop. For some reason it's lagging, though he edits in 4K. Evander is in the toilet. And this is the beautiful view. I don't think I've shown this yet, but waking up to this is something really good. Right now we have come for high tea, and this is what I got. Bombay pav bhaji, 2 pav and bhajiyas. Same Charles also got. Oh, he added an extra thing, that's chutney. Oh, and butter. If you like gin, no, go for this. It's good. Okay, Ray, mango like. The Sangeet just got done. Right now we're going to the buffet. I'm hungry. Sangeet was a 10 on 10 actually, because a lot of people were dancing. I think this is the longest Sangeet that I've been to, like the weddings we've shot and all. But yeah, it nearly for 2.5 hours, 3 hours people were dancing. So I'm going to show you what all is there for food. Yeah?
We're having a survey of buffet.
Oh.
Checking out what's good. I'm just heading for jalebi. Meet Salman Bhai. Salman Khan.
Salman Khan. Salman Khan.
काले चने की दाल खाओ
Vendor. Hello, time. What's up, Daddy? Something even more interesting is we all decided like you're gonna join this bed and sleep. I'm sleeping and I'm like, why am I surfing? I don't know, in my dream I was like, I'm surfing. And I wake up, I see Evander like right next to my leg, sleeping over there. I'm like, bro, what is this guy doing? I was going to wake him up, but the moment when I went to wake him up, I fell asleep again. Look at this beautiful view. Imagine coming out every day and seeing this type of a view. 10 on 10.
I hope that, yeah, slowly is coming, right?
Are all prepared. Right now we're going to the bride's place to do her behind the scenes shoot. Yeah, and then we're going to visit the groom, head back to the room. And this is the umbrella that Mercure has given us. So guys, I've kept my drone over here. The ceremony is happening over there, and these are the color shots that they've kept. I'm just waiting for my cue when I can fly the drone and take this part. And right now it is around 1:18. Sadly, we were not able to eat breakfast because one thing, we woke up early, but all three of us went to sleep again. Now we're heading to a cafe, drink coffee, then go to eat some thali or something.
The funny part was Mario woke up and he's like, Chal, wake up, we have to go for breakfast. And then 1 hour later, I was like, You are like bro 11:30. I thought you were joking like that. Man, sleep.
So we have come to Old Goa right now, and we saw some over there in front, some chai, that person who stands in front says that.